In this video you'll be shown how to change the hub motor on a PowerCore E100. First you will need to unscrew the 6 screws on the deck shown here using a manual or electric screwdriver. Now remove the 2 screws shown here on the battery bar. You will need to move the batteries to gain access to the wires. Disconnect the white connectors which lead to the motor shown here. You will then need to cut the white connector off the wire to the motor hub. Feed the wire through the hole at the back of the deck and disconnect the wire from the clip on the side of the deck. Turn your scooter on its side and use the spanner to undo the bolt shown here. Then turn the scooter over and unscrew the 3 screws shown here, then remove the cap so it's loose. Lift your scooter and the motor should drop out as shown. To install your new motor, lift the back of the scooter and slide the forks onto the wheel, making sure they slide between the motor and the wheel as shown. Lay the scooter down and screw on the washer and bolt until tight as shown. Then screw in the 3 screws onto the motor hub, making sure the 3 holes line up. Feed the new cable back through the hole of the deck and clip the cable in place. Insert the black cable into the bottom of the white clip and the red into the top as shown. Place your batteries back into your scooter and secure, then reconnect the motor connector as shown, ensuring all cables are neatly put away clear. Replace the battery bar and deck as shown before. Test your scooter works by following the 4 steps with your scooter turned on. Kickstart your scooter to 3 miles an hour, twist the throttle and engage the motor as demonstrated here. You have now changed the hub motor on your PowerCore E100.